Hello students, let's begin our today's English online class. Today we are going to do exercise number 2.9. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with who, whom, what, which or whose. Now class, we see that these pronouns relate to relative pronoun. These are the relative pronouns. Now relative pronouns are those that relate to sentences or to clauses. We call them relative pronouns. Now the word who means कौन and the word whom means जिसे या जिसको. The word what means क्या and which word we use for the things or the animals और इसका meaning है जो या जो की. And the word whose means किसका. So let's go through the exercise. The man dash came this morning is a teacher. वो आदमी जो सुबह आया था वो एक टीचर है, is a teacher. The man. अब the man is a human being, is a living thing, so we go with the man who came. जो कि सुबह आया था is a teacher. Next is the cat dash killed the mouse is white. Now we are seeing here the cat. Now the cat. Here the man was given here because and for man we went for who. Now the cat. The cat is an animal, so we go with the relative pronoun which. The cat which killed the mouse is white. वो कैट जिसने माउस को मारा था वाइट है. नेक्स्ट इज वेयर इज द पर्सन अबाउट डैश यू आर टॉकिंग. वेयर इज द पर्सन अबाउट whom you are talking. वो आदमी कहाँ है जिसके बारे में तुम बात कर रहे हो. whom. नेक्स्ट इज द चेयर डैश लेग्स आर वीक is old. The chair, you will go here whose legs are weak. The chair, वो कुर्सी, वो चेयर जिसकी टांगे जो हैं वो वीक हैं. Now at number 5, I wish I could find the person dash he named. I could find the person whom he named. Whom he named. Next is the box dash you brought is broken. The box. Now again the box is non-living thing. We will go with which. The box which you brought is broken. वो बॉक्स जो तुम लाए थे वो टूट गया है. Next is the boy dash lives in that room is good. The boy. Again we are talking about the boy. We are talking about a human being, so you will go with the relative pronoun who. The boy who lives in that room is good. वो लड़का जो उस कमरे में रहता है अच्छा है. The wall dash was built last year is falling. The wall. Now the wall is non-living thing, so we will go with which. Class, for livings we go with who relative pronoun. For non-livings we will go with which relative pronoun. Now at number 9, he wishes to punish me dash have done no wrong. He wishes to punish me. He wishes to punish me who have done no wrong. कहता है he wishes to punish me. वो मुझे पनिश करना चाहता है. who have done no wrong. जिसने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया है. It means we are talking about here who will relate to me. Punishment वो मुझे देना चाहता है और मैंने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया है. So he wishes to punish me who have done no wrong. Now let's jump on the next sentence. Now class, we have taken a leap at the sentence number 10. So it is the man dash spoke to you is a doctor. The man, again we are talking about a man. So who वो आदमी जो तुमसे बोल रहा था इज अ डॉक्टर, वो एक डॉक्टर है। डैश वर यू सेइंग, डैश डिड यू स्पीक टू। नाउ हेयर टू ब्लैंक्स आर हेयर गिवन हेयर, सो वी सी व्हाट वर यू सेइंग, तुम क्या कह रहे थे, क्या, व्हाट वर यू सेइंग। एंड नेक्स्ट इज डैश डिड यू स्पीक टू, तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे, whom डिड यू स्पीक टू, whom, तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे। At number 12, the car in dash we rode is big. The car is again non-living thing. We go with which. The car in which we rode is big. वो कार जिसमें हम रोड कर रहे थे बड़ी है। Next, in dash school was your sister taught and by dash. Now again we are having two blanks. The in which school, school is a non-living, it's a building. In which school was your sister taught, तुम्हारी सिस्टर किस स्कूल में पढ़ाती थी, and by whom। At number 14th, the woman dash husband is a policeman is taller than her husband. The woman, वो औरत जिसका हस्बैंड पुलिस मैन है वो अपने हस्बैंड से ज़्यादा टॉल है, ज़्यादा लंबी है। द वुमेन हुज हस्बैंड, जिसका हस्बैंड, हुज हस्बैंड, सो द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हुज विल कम हेयर। एट नंबर 15, आई कांट टेल डैश ऑफ द टू बॉयज विल विन अ प्राइज। आई कांट टेल dash of the two boys will win a prize. Now we are talking about a prize, so I can't tell which of the two boys will win a prize. At number 16 we are having he dash fights and runs away will live to fight another day. He who fights and runs, who. Next is in dash help do you trust more, mine or his. In whose help, तुम्हें किसकी हेल्प पर ट्रस्ट है, तुम्हें किसकी हेल्प पर ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट है, ज़्यादा विश्वास है, मेरी या उसकी। एट नंबर 18 वी आर हैविंग आई डैश वॉज मोस्ट कंसर्न्ड वॉज नॉट कंसल्टेड। आई हु वॉज मोस्ट कंसर्न्ड, मैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न्ड था, बहुत ज़्यादा चिंतित था, वॉज नॉट कंसल्टेड, मुझे कंसल्ट नहीं किया गया। नेक्स्ट इज ही इज़ द मैन डैश सन इज़ अ लॉयर, ही इज़ द मैन हुज सन इज़ अ लॉयर, यह वो आदमी है जिसका बेटा लॉयर है, वकील है। लास्ट सेंटेंस इज आई डोंट नो डैश आई कैन डिपेंड ऑन, आई डोंट नो whom I can depend on, मुझे नहीं पता मुझे किस पर डिपेंड करना है। I don't know, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ। whom I can depend upon, मैं किस पर डिपेंड कर सकता हूँ। I don't know. So class, this was your exercise number 2.9. I hope that this relative pronoun is clear to you. We have to join the two sentences or the two clauses or the phrases with the help of relative pronoun. Just take a quick look on the exercise and while doing, do it by your own. Thank you class for watching video. Good.